Welcome to the LibreEzva Spotlight series. Today, we're talking about user management within the Security Gateway. I'm Samuel, and I'll be taking you through this. User management within Libre is simplified so admins need to worry about one less thing. Our users are categorized into just 3 roles: admins, domain admins, and users. Admins, as the name suggests, can change settings machine-wide and can also search through all email traffic. With no privacy officer set up, they can also view every email. Domain admins are for managing specific domains on the platform. These can become multi-domain admins. Similar to admins, they can see email traffic, but only for the domains they've been assigned. These multi-domain admins are perfect for MSPs due to the ability for delegating management of many domains to other users. Users can access their own messages, send and receive email in an outage, manage their own spam, and schedule their digest report delivery. These users can be made locally, via LDAP, or POP3. When users are set up, they can all log into the platform to do administrative tasks, like release low-scoring spam that might be needed. Let's have a look at how to add a user and change the settings of that user. Please be aware that you can mass import users with a text file found here. You don't have to manually add each one like we're going to do now. So a new user is being made. We go through the usual aspects of setting their username, full name, and password. Then we select the user type. By default, spam checks are switched on and spam scores are defaulted. We can switch the quarantine report on or off and change the actions our user is allowed to take with that report. We'll set it to mark for release here, meaning they can access and tag spam, but we, the admins, need to approve that release. Let's also schedule our delivery at 9 AM and add an email for the quarantine report to be delivered to. Right here is where you can add LDAP users. A full LDAP guide can be found on the docs website mentioned in the description below. A few extra things we need to be aware of is that we can auto-populate users as long as the domain in question has recipient verification enabled. Recipient verification will be covered in another video, but the auto-populate users feature will generate a password and username for each unique email address that comes into the system. We also have Safe Learn networks. It's a list of allowed and safe networks from where unauthenticated users can take actions. An unauthenticated action or an anonymous action would be, for example, clicking links in the daily digest reports. You can identify your safe networks here. To recap, we went through how to define and create users, also what rights each role has, how to specify Safe Learn networks, and a brief look into auto-populate users. Hopefully this information has been useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.